Want your Excel sheets to look clean, professional, and easy to read, just like a pro? Stick around, because today I'll show you 10 smart formatting tricks that will make your data stand out instantly. Okay, let's dive in. Let's start with something simple. Format as table. Here's a dataset showing sales by product. Click inside your dataset. Go to the Home tab, then Format as Table, and choose a style. Check My Table as headers. Now Excel automatically applies alternate row colors, filter buttons, and dynamic formatting. Next, apply conditional formatting. Let's highlight states where sales exceed $10,000. Select the sales data. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, and click Greater Than. Enter 10,000, and choose a green fill. Hit OK. Now, any state with high performance instantly stands out. Numbers look confusing without currency signs? Let's fix that. Select your sales value. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus $. This applies the USD format instantly, clean and professional. Properly formatting dates is crucial for reporting. For example, let's say you have a column of dates like this. Select the cells. Right-click, then Format Cells, and go to Date. Choose a readable format. And click OK. Want to show units sold like 180 pieces. Select the cells, right-click, Format Cells, and go to Custom. In the Custom Format box, type 0 pieces with a space inside the quotes. Click OK, and now Excel automatically adds pieces after every number, no formulas needed. To keep your sheet consistent, use cell styles. Select your header row. Go to Home, Cell Styles, and pick Heading 1 or Heading 2. This instantly gives a polished, professional look, great for business reports. Data bars help you instantly see which numbers are larger or smaller without creating a chart. Select the sales column. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, and click Data Bars. Choose a gradient or solid fill style. Now, each cell shows a colored bar representing its value, perfect for quick visual analysis. When working with US data, proper number formatting matters, especially for phone numbers and zip codes. Select the phone number cells. Press Ctrl plus 1. Under Number, go to Custom. Enter this code. And click OK. When your text doesn't fit in a single cell, wrap text keeps it neat without widening the column. Select the cells. Go to Home, and click Wrap Text. Now, long descriptions automatically adjust within the same cell, perfect for comments or addresses. You already know the Format Painter trick, but here's a hidden gem. You can double-click it to apply formatting repeatedly. Select a formatted cell. Double-click the Format Painter icon. Now click multiple cells or ranges to apply the same formatting. Press Escape to turn it off. That's it, 10 smart Excel tricks to make your sheet shine. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning, and remember, work smart, not hard.